This is the Fanttik laser. It's to help you line up things when you're installing them. Well, we're just going to show you what's in the box, what comes in it. Fanttik's a cool new brand that I've recently discovered. This is what it looks like. And I love their stuff a lot. It looks nice. It's a Chinese company. It's simple, it's clean, and it's well priced. I don't love that it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. Probably just throw that away. Waste for the world. Wonderful. Comes with a little manual in terms of how it works. But this is a leveler device. So you go ahead and you press the on button here. And now it's going to level it when you place this on a tripod. So that way you can install your TV, your frames, whatever it is at the perfect distance. It's got a battery unit right there. So you can see that. It's got some locking and unlocking features right here. This is what the lasers look like when it's powered on. So we'll go ahead and power this off. Boom. We've got charging port right there, a base tripod mount so you can put it on a tripod if you need, or just lay it on a surface like a book or shelves. We've got this as well if you want it to be horizontal. That's cool. You can install this right here, and then you can actually magnetize this, it looks like, to a wall or another device. We've got a little Fanttik carrying case to put all this stuff in. We'll toss that bad boy in there, but we do want that little screen to be safe. We'll slide this in there as well. I bought this, but if you want to work together, let me know. Cool little device.